do the right thing?
Of course, we absolutely did the right thing. What are we talking about?
This, the job, the move.
Yes. The kids will adjust. It's only been 2 months.
But are you sure I didn't push us into this?
Look, Adam is just ecstatic at being this much closer to the halls of the dark conspiracy. And Caroline was not happy.
But now she misses her boyfriend.
And if we were back home, she'd be dramatically upset about something else. She's 15 years old.
See? You called that place we used to live home.
Okay, you're right. It'll take a little while for us to get past feeling like that's home.
Do you really like it at Georgetown?
I love Georgetown. What's not to love? I'm a religious professor at a Jesuit university. It's like being a beetle.
So we're okay?
Fine.
We used to have sex.
We had sex this weekend.
We used to have weekday sex.
Don't overthink it.
Is it because I put off too much masculine energy? I mean, most men can't handle a woman in a position of power.
I love a woman in a position of power.
You would.
And I'm totally attracted to your masculine energy.